Why should I do business with you? This is the question your prospects are asking themselves. How would you answer it? What will you say that will elevate, separate, differentiate, and distinguish you from all your competitors, make them irrelevant, position you as the expert in your field and the obvious choice? Do you have a unique marketing position? What position do you have in your prospect's mind? Remember, marketing is about perception, and perception is reality. How do you want your prospects to perceive you? Create your own unique marketing position and lead your prospects to decide, I'm going to do business with you regardless of your commission. Marketing is the #1 skill to have. Now go mind your own business.
This class is offered 24/7, online or live classroom. Call us at 512-453-0900 to schedule your class or purchase online at www.buildmyrebusiness.com. Thank you. Now, go mind your own business.